What's something people don't know about Firebase in React Native? It's actually easy to get started, especially with Expo. Let's break it down step by step. First up, head to the Firebase console and create a new project. Register a web app there. You'll get your API key and project details. Next, open your project folder in Terminal. Type npx expo install at React Native Firebase/app. Want auth or Firestore? Add them too. npx expo install at React Native Firebase/auth at React Native Firebase/Firestore. Now create a Firebase config.js file. Copy your config details into it. In app.js, import initialize app and call it with your config. That's your Firebase handshake. To use Firebase features, just import what you need, like getAuth or getFirestore, and use their methods in your components. Quick recap: create Firebase project, install SDK, set up config, import features, and run with npx expo start. Important: bare React Native setups might need extra steps. And don't forget to check your Firebase security rules.